Hello friends, welcome to Option Trading Ki Duniya. In this brand new episode, let me present before you the expiry trading for 16th February 2024. Tomorrow, we are going to witness the expiry for Sensex. So how you should trade Sensex, how you should take hero or zero call on expiry day. So let me bring before you the Sensex chart before you. And before that, a standard disclaimer. This channel is for educational purpose only. If you are using the tips which I deliver for trading, take always the help of SEBI certified investment professional. So let me come before you with the Sensex chart. And here first thing what you can observe is Sensex is trading in a close range for quite a few days. So now here if I mark the range, so on the upper side we have around 73,500 around, and if you see on the lower side we have got around 71,000. So it is trading between 71,000 and 73,500. So today Sensex closed exactly at around 72,050. So tomorrow if Sensex is trading at around maybe 100 points upper with the gap up or 200 points up with the gap up, that is around 72,200. So how you should trade? So now if I just see, so Sensex around 72,000 is neutral, and I think several times it has gone up and traded around 73,000. So there is a big resistance around 72,500 levels. So that is a very crucial level. 72,500 is a very crucial level. So now if you think that Sensex is around this level, if it crosses 72,500, then if you take a hero or zero call, you can get it for as 50-70 rupees. You can buy it because it can almost reach to 73,000. There is a possibility. And on the lower side, if the Sensex is trading below 70, so it's trading at 72,000. If it is trading tomorrow below 72,000, and this actually trading below 72,000 during the day, you can take a put for 72,000 and have lower targets. But tomorrow trading in put does not give you that opportunity. So if it is trading at around 72,200, you can certainly go for a call, and it can go up to 72,500. So that's taking a call would be a better bet than taking a put. So this is my view for expiry trading tomorrow. Take your view and observe the market from morning 9:15 till 11:30 or 12, and certainly trade will take direction only after 12:30. So this is the Sensex view for tomorrow. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. A like will motivate me to make further videos on expiry. So expiry trade has become very popular with the traders. So thank you.